All right, loading the boat up, about to head out and fish. I'm gonna try to make this as much like a real YouTube video as possible, because I always forget to film intros or say what I'm doing, where I'm going, and so end up with a lot of footage that is basically useless because I don't say anything, so nobody knows what's going on. So I'm gonna try to change that today. We're trying to catch some fish. All right, we made it. We're out here on the water. It's not quite as windy, and there's literally I'm the only boat here, so I'm hoping that's good luck. It rained all morning, so I think that might have deterred a few people from their fishing plans for today. But the sun has come out. Still still cloudy, but the sun's peeking through here and there, so I think it's gonna be a good day. All right, here we are on the lake, and I have already seen some action, so I'm getting excited. About to rig up a little topwater action. I've already heard a few blow ups. Actually saw a fish come up and blow up a while ago, so I mean, oh my gosh, that's it. You're going silent. I don't know what kind of structure is actually under here, but let's find out. Right here, the boat's in 17 foot of water, so it's a good ways down there. So see if we can get down here with this bandito bug. And just saw a topwater hit across the lake. The trick might be the shaded, because that over there was up in these coves, and now I just saw one over here on this shaded side of the lake. Why can I not cast this thing anymore? No way. That did not just happen. Well. Yeah, it's not a $200 reel. It's fine. Next cast, get hung in a tree. Oh my gosh, I caught a fish. Not a bad fish either. Ow. All right, we didn't get skunked. Jeez, oh, I don't like that fish. All right, well. I haven't got a hit all day. I was so unsure that was actually a fish. I let him eat it for forever. Cause he kept hitting it over and over and over again. And I thought it was a brim. Well, at first I just thought it was stick. Well, then I thought it might be a brim, kind of the way he was hitting it so much. All right. Number 2. We need him to get a little bit bigger than that. But after the day that I've had, I will take every one of them. Tell you, this rod here is like the most inexpensive rod that I own, but it is good luck for catching fish. Every time I try so hard to use my other really pretty expensive rods, but every time I start tying on this rod here, I start catching fish. So ooh. No! Are you kidding me? That was like a 7-pounder. Oh my God. Wow. I saw that fish swimming. I pitched it and he ate it. And I set the hook hard. I knew it was a big fish. Are you kidding? No way. Wow. Another big one. Another big one. Come here. Lay down. Well, some net. Not near as good as the one earlier, but I'll take him. All right. Man, he hit it hard. I thought that was another really big one. And I got my nerves up, man. I just looked back at the video, and that was that fish was bigger than I thought he was. Legitimately, maybe close to a double digit. Keep them coming.